Hey guys, so I know that the end of the year is near, and I know that as teachers, we always love to give our students awards. And I know that creating those individually can be a cumbersome process. So I wanted to show you today how you could quickly do that in bulk using Google Sheets and Canva. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is create your certificate. So you're going to go to Canva and you're going to search for a certificate. Okay, so I'm going to click landscape because I like landscape certificates. And then I'm going to pick the certificate that I want. So I'm just going to say that I want this certificate. And then I'm going to customize this as I want to. So I might take this out. I don't love this here, so I'm going to take this off. I'm going to delete these things. I don't like the font, so I'm going to change the font. Okay, I'm going to change the size. And then I'm going to take this off because I don't like this. And then I don't want to sign all my certificates. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to delete this sample name, right? It wants to grab that line, but you're going to, let's see, I'm going to move that line for just a minute. So I'm going to put my name here, Melinda Cox. And then I'm going to change that font again here to whatever font I would like. And I'm going to change the color to red, get a little bigger, and select it all. Change the color to red, maybe. Okay, then I'm going to put my line back. Then I don't want these here. I don't want these here. I might want to put the date. I might want to change this image, so I'll go to elements and then type in school. It'll give me the different elements that I can use. So if I don't like that one, I can delete that one and add this one. All right, so now I have my certificate and it's exactly how I want it. Now, obviously, this is probably not how you're going to design your certificate, but for our purposes right now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your awards list. So I have created the awards that I wanted. So I have the student name, or in this case, the adult's name, the department that they're in, and then the awards that they're going to get. And then I'm going to hit file and I'm going to go to download. And then I'm going to download a CSV file. Okay. Once I have my CSV file, I will come back to Canva and then I will go to apps. I will go to down here, I will go to bulk create. And then because I have my CSV file, you can upload it manually, but it's easier to do it as a CSV. So because I have that CSV, I'm going to click on upload CSV. And then I'm going to find my CSV file that I just created. And then I have the 3 fields from my file that I made. And then here I have a name. So I'm going to right click and it's going to say connect data. And then I'm going to see my thing. So I have name. Okay. Here I want the award that they're going to receive. So I'm going to right click on it. Right click award. Okay. And then I know that I need a department. So I want to put their department, here. So I'm going to add a subheading. And then their innovation. Okay, so I have that here. And then I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to make it smaller, do whatever I want with it, right? Right click again, connect data, click department. Okay. Now, all right, so now that I'm ready, I'm going to go back down here to bulk create because I've already started that bulk creation. Okay. And then I'm going to click continue. And then once I click continue, it's going to say, okay, I'm going to create all of these pages and then I'm going to generate 3 pages. And then what you'll see is that it has created the certificates for everybody with one click of a button.